products. I know you can't see them right now because they're in a wrap, but we're gonna be mixing LUSH product inside clear slime. So this is something I've been wanting to do for a while, and I've even had this for so long, and I just haven't done it. So I'm finally gonna do it. I'm so excited. So yeah, and let's get straight on into the video. Yo. All right, guys. So let's open this baby up. Look at all those goodies. I cannot wait to do this. Okay, let's do this. Put it to the side. Wait, what should we do first, guys? We have so much. We have this thing that I love. This is like one of my favorites because of like the little carton. It's like a bunch of little, I forget what they're called. I think they're like bath thingies. Oh, bubble bars, I think, but like miniature ones, and they're so adorable. Then we have this shower gel, a lip scrub, I think, and then I don't know what these are. Something in there. And then this is a shower jelly. I've seen these so much, and I really wanted to get one. And then this really cool bath dough, I think it's called. What should we, I don't know. I think, let's do this one, okay? Because I don't know what it is, so I'm gonna do this one. All right, guys, here's the clear slime. Look at how nice and clear and thick. Alrighty, so let's open this up. We'll see what it is. Oh my gosh, it's like a glitter bar thing. Look at that, that's so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut it because I've seen a lot of LUSH cutting videos and they're so satisfying, so I wanted to try it. Okay, so I have this little knife I got from Wish. It's supposed to be a parrot. All right, let's cut it. So cool. Okay, we're gonna do that much because I don't know how it's gonna affect the slime. I don't know if it's gonna melt it or do something, so we're gonna put that there and we're gonna see what happens. Make sure you guys comment down below if you guys want more videos like this because I'm down. Okay, let's do this. Oh, this feels so weird. I hope it turns into like pigmented, you know, metallic. Okay, kind of seems like it is turning, oh yes, it is turning sparkly. It looks so pretty. And it's kind of melting, but at the same time, it's activating, I think, because it's kind of soap, you know? This is so weird, because like I can feel it melting, but like it's not melting. Okay, this turned out so cool, guys. Whoa, I was not expecting that. Stuck to the table. Wow, guys, this is actually, I think I'm actually gonna be able to keep this. That's so cool. It actually worked, guys. Whoa, I am so surprised and impressed. Oh my gosh, it smells so good, guys.
Moments later.
All right, guys, here's the slime. I've been eating it for a little bit. It's still pretty like rippy, but it actually turned out pretty good. I feel like if I add some hair gel into it, I'll actually turn into a really nice slime, but like it's actually pretty good. Like I am very impressed. I thought that this was gonna like completely melt, or like, yeah, I thought it was gonna completely melt, but it's just like really slimy for some reason. And it's actually super pigmented too. Like I don't know if you guys can see, but it actually has so much glitter and pigment and it looks so cool. And I'm very happy that I did this. Like it turned out so good. So yeah. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, what should we do next? We have so much options here and I have no idea what to do because they all look so cool, but I'm gonna have to say this one because I really want to try it. It's just a shower gel, so it's like shampoo basically, but I wanted to see what would happen. All right, got some clear slime and we have our shower gel. Ooh, that looks cool. Okay, I think this is purple. The heck, is this sealed or something? Oh, it is. Wow. Let's pour that into there. I think that should be good. Ooh, that looks so cool. I think these are really bubbly. What do you guys think is gonna happen? It's very thick. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells like, I feel like kind of like grapes, but like actual grapes. Or maybe oranges, actually. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Do you think it's gonna melt or do you think it's gonna get hard? I feel like it's gonna melt. Let's do this. Or it might activate and melt at the same time. It's doing good so far. Kind of just like dyed the slime. Not bad. Ooh, I think it's gonna activate it too. Oh, whoa, this has a really weird texture, guys. It's like kind of like jiggly, but like firm. I don't know. Whoa, that one went really well too. Guys, this is so cool. I didn't expect this to happen. I thought that it was gonna like melt and like, I don't know, something bad was gonna happen, but like this actually turned out really nice. Wow. It's actually like really thick. Whoa, that is so cool. And it smells so good. Whoa, guys. This is crazy. Okay, I love this. I feel like this is gonna be my favorite, but I don't know because we've only done like 2. All right, let's get on to the next one, guys. What should we do next? That was so cool. I don't know what to do now. Like, I am in shock. I think maybe these ones. So these ones we're gonna have to cut too. Which one should we do, guys? These are so pretty. Like, I feel like we should do, I really love this color, but I feel like we should do one of these because they have like pearlescent in them and they look so cool. So I think I'm gonna do this blue one. But let's cut it a little bit. Oh my gosh. That's so satisfying. What the heck? Oh my gosh, it's like so soft and it like cuts so well. It is amazing. What do you think is gonna happen? I feel like this one is gonna melt, but it also could melt and activate, so let's see. All right, let's mix it. It has a lot of dye. I hope it makes it sparkly. It mixed it so well. It actually mixed it very nicely. Okay, so it seems like it's getting hard. It's starting to activate, but hopefully it doesn't activate too much. It's kind of like deactivating now. This is so weird. What is Lush putting in their products? Okay, it started to activate, guys, and then it started to kind of soften. Oh my gosh, I think it's metallic. I think it had like pigment in it, and now the slime is metallic. Oh my gosh. This is amazing, guys. It's so soft. Okay, this will turn out so nice, guys. The color, the texture, I think it got like softer and stretchier. Well, I didn't expect this at all, guys. Like, this is crazy. Okay, well, that is that one, guys. Let's get on to the next one. Should we do another one? I feel like we should do another one. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna do this pink one now because it is like so pretty. It's just like a little star and it's so neon. It's just pretty, being pretty over there. This one seems a little bit hard than the other one. Oh my gosh. It's like more grainy, like sandy. Oh my gosh, that is so satisfying. What the heck? We're gonna add that amount because that amount worked very well last time. Oh, it smells so good. All right, let's mix it. You guys think it's gonna become sparkly? Because it doesn't seem like it has sparkles, but it might have sparkles. Can't tell though. I love the color though. I hope it turns into that color. Let's try and squish it on there. Does it work? I feel like this one's gonna activate a little bit more because it seems a bit more like soapy, but I don't know. Like salty, I feel like Epsom salt. This one is definitely mixing a lot harder, like a lot less than the other one. Like the blue one mixed so well. This one is, I feel like I have to kind of like squish them into there, but it's still working out pretty good. It's not melting, so that's good, and it's not activating a lot. I think it's activating a little bit though. I kind of like how the chunks look because they kind of look like some type of candy, like rock candy or something. I don't know.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I've been mixing it for a while now. I've been trying to smush all the stuff. As you can see, it did smush into there more, and it is pinker. And I think it's a bit sparkly, but yeah, that is it. It smells fantastic though, and it is slightly overactivated, but it's overall pretty good. I'm liking it. All right, well, that is it for that one, guys. If you guys want me to do the other two and more, make sure you comment down below and tell me. But for now, we're gonna go on to the next ones. All right, here's what we have, guys. What should we do? I feel like we should do
this one.
Okay, we'll do that one. Thanks, Paul. All right, we have this is a mystery one because I literally don't remember because it was a while ago that we got it, and I don't remember what I got. So yeah. Oh, it's 3. Okay, well, I guess it's shower cream. I have no idea what that is. Oh, wow, those look so cool. Oh, they're 3. What? Oh, it's the same thing? Oh my gosh, that smells so good. It smells like pineapples, I think. Okay, that is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh, what is that? I don't even know what this is. It's shower cream? Just put it on you and it showers you, or you put it in the shower? I don't know. There's no directions on it. All right, we got some slime, guys, and now let's put our shower cream. Got my spoon right here. It's so bright and pretty. Looks kind of like yogurt. I honestly want to eat it. Should I put more? Because I don't know if it will melt, you know? I'm gonna put that much. This looks like a neon egg. I had to. Okay, all right, let's do this. It's very soft. Whoa, that's weird. It's like puree almost. What's gonna happen? I feel like it's gonna melt, but with everything that we've done, I feel like it's just gonna melt and then activate again, which that's what it feels like. This smells so good, guys. What the heck? All right, so it was melting, like I said, and now it is activating. And yeah. Okay. I feel like it's gonna kind of turn out into like the gold one we did in the beginning. Glad I didn't put more because it would have been harder. All right, I think I am done. Okay, so first of all, this looks super like creamy, honestly, and it's like softer. Honestly, I feel like I'm just turning these slimes into store-bought slimes because they're like kind of like drippy and like soft and not sticky. Like, Paul, can you touch this? We're gonna see how sticky it is. If Paul touches it without it sticking, then it's not sticky at all. Does it pass your test, Paul?
It passes my test.
All right. It smells so good, guys. Like, oh my gosh. These slimes are amazing. These are gonna be all my new favorite slimes. But these are really nice. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, guys, here's the next ones we have. Which should we do? I want to do this one. This one seems really cool. I think this is a bath dough thingamajigger, so let's do it. Okay, I'm gonna cut it right here because oh wow, that cut a lot. Never mind. Oh my gosh, this is so annoying. All right, there we go. I got it. All right. Oh, this is so pretty. You have all these colors. Okay, I think I'm gonna do. Let's just do all of them. Let's just do little pieces of all of them. All right. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. All right, cut a little piece. Oh, it's so pretty. All right, put the purple right there. Okay, we're gonna do the red fur next. Oh my gosh, it cuts so nicely. It's so satisfying. Okay, that red right there. Got the orange. Oh my gosh, it's so satisfying. The sounds and like how it cuts. Yeah, had a little brain fart there, guys.
Yep.
Yeah, there's the yellow. It's mixed a little bit with the green, so just don't mind that. Okay, this is amazing. Green. I hope this isn't melted yet. There's our blue. I've seen that on like a video and I wanted to try it and I don't like it. I just ruined my rainbow. It looks like I did a giant mistake there. Okay. Alrighty guys, there's our rainbow. I'm excited. You guys think it's gonna melt or you think it's gonna actually, I feel like it's gonna just be normal. Alright guys, let's fix this. Do you think it's gonna melt or you think it's gonna stay normal? I feel like it's gonna stay normal. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, go. Oh my gosh, it looks so cool. Like mixing so slow, like they're melting really slowly. Oh wow, I think it's gonna melt, guys. This is what happens, it melts and then it reactivates. It's so weird. So this is either just gonna completely melt or reactivate. And I think it just might melt. All right, well that's what happened with this one, I guess. It melted. This is really hard to mix in too because it's like kind of dry. So this is definitely not one of my favorites, but it did look really satisfying and the cutting was very satisfying too, so yeah. All right guys, I'm just gonna end it here because this is gonna take way too long to smush them all in. It's just gonna continue melting, so I'm gonna stop it right here. Alrighty guys, that was interesting. Let's get on to the next one. We have one mystery. We have a little, I think this is a lip scrub and it smells so freaking good. I think it's bubblegum. And we have the shower jelly. What should we do? Boom. I'm gonna do the sugar scrub. I wanna see that one. Alright, I got a smaller piece of slime since we have less of this one. Look at how pretty it is. It's so vibrant and it, guys, I wish you could smell it. You probably have smelled it, some of you guys. Like, it smells so good. It smells like, kind of like watermelon though. Oh my gosh, do you smell that? Oh my gosh, like I want to eat this. I'm gonna straight up eat it and I'm pretty sure I can because like Lush is like natural and stuff, you know, so yeah. Look how satisfying that is. That is quality content right there. I'm just kidding. But what do you guys think is gonna happen? I feel like this is gonna melt because it seems, I think it's sugar, so I think it's gonna melt, but let's see. Or is it not gonna mix? All right, let's see. I'm excited. It seems like, oh whoa. All right, it seems like it just kind of melted a little bit. Okay, well this one turned out pretty good. It did melt a little bit. It's a bit more sticky, but I like it. I like it. I cannot wait for this to clear up because I feel like it is actually gonna clear because it's just sugar and it smells, oh my gosh. This smells so good, guys. I cannot wait for this to clear up. This one was amazing. But I don't think it beats the other one, the blue one. All right, guys, let's get on to the next one. All right, guys, we have two left. We have a mystery one and this jelly. What should we do? I think we should do the mystery one. I want to say the jelly for the last one because it looks so cool. What is this gonna be? I literally have no clue what this is. It feels like two little things in there. It's a little soggy. Ooh, what is that? It's like a little milk. It's so cute. I don't remember buying this. Wow, I don't remember buying this. Wow, okay, this is so adorable. I do definitely know that I did buy this because I do love like little milk jars because I feel like they're just so adorable. I'll just keep that there. Alrighty, let's do this. Let's cut it. This one's a bit harder, like an actual soap, so yeah. Oh, yeah. Yes. Okay, I should probably stop. Kind of reminds me of butter. Okay, I think that's all I'm gonna do. And I have to get some of this glittery stuff. I feel like this is the best way to do it right here. Oh, whoa, that looks cool. It's only a little bit though. Look, I remade the little milk jug. I decided to switch it. And ta-da! Beautiful. Can we do like one of those little soap cracks? Wow. Wow, that was such a fail. Okay. I feel like this one's just gonna get really overactivated. But it actually might turn out really nice. Oh, no. Yeah, this was a complete fail. It was really only just like sad. Yeah, this is not working at all. It is like, wow. And it's activating the slime. Okay, this is a complete fail. Worse than the Play-Doh. Let's get on to the next one because I'm not about to do this, guys. Like, this is not working at all. All right, last review, guys. It's a shower jelly. I'm so excited. I've been waiting so long. And I always see all these shower jellies on like Instagram and stuff. And I really wanted to get one. So yeah. And I just do like a shower jelly type with, from like Walmart, but I never got a Lush one. Oh my gosh, look at how cute it is. It looks like a moon kind of. I don't know why. This is my, wow. Okay, let's cut it. I want to cut it. How do you even cut this? This is so satisfying. Put that little jelly back in this container. Let's cut this a little bit more. It's so like squishy and like jelly-y. I don't even know how to explain it. And I think it's like vegan too. That's pretty interesting. Can I eat this? It's vegan. All right, let's put that in there. Why is this kind of like slime already? Like it kind of tears apart so weirdly. Like, look at it. Alrighty, let's mix it together. Okay, this is not mixing together well at all. Oh gosh, this was a terrible idea. I just really squish it. Smells fantastic though, but it is not very good. Okay, well, that was a complete fail too. Oh well. Alright guys, if you like this video, make sure you comment down below #part 2. I really liked this video. I thought it was really fun. These actually surprised me a lot. You guys comment down below which is your favorite. I think my favorite would be this purple one or this yellow one or this purple one. This blue one, this yellow one, or this purple one. Or maybe this pink one. I can't choose, guys. You choose for me. Alright guys, that's it. You so much. We hope I see you next time. Bye.